Data analysis skills. In today's data-driven world, mastering data analysis is not optional, it's essential. Whether you're a student, business owner, or working professional, these skills will boost your career. In this video, you'll learn what data analysis is, the tools and skills required, real-world applications, and how to start your career in data. Stick around till the end for bonus tips and career advice. Data analysis. Inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to find useful information and support decision-making. Why it matters. Companies like Netflix, Amazon, Google, and hospitals use data to make everyday decisions. Types of data. Structured, e.g., spreadsheets, databases. Unstructured, e.g., text, video, audio. 5-step process. Collect, clean, analyze, visualize, interpret. Essential data analysis core skills. Critical thinking. Ask the right questions before diving into data. Data cleaning, detecting errors, filling in missing values, and removing duplicates. Statistical knowledge. Know the basics: mean, median, correlation, regression. Data visualization. Translate data into visual stories using charts and graphs. Technical tools. Learn Python, SQL, Excel, or R. Bonus 5 power skills. Data intuition. Develop a feel for when something doesn't look right in data. Automation. Use code to make your workflows more efficient. Storytelling with data. Turn insights into decisions using visuals and simple language. Domain knowledge. Understand the context, marketing, healthcare, finance. Ethical handling. Be responsible with privacy and data ethics. Must-know tools for data analysis: spreadsheets, Excel and Google Sheets, basics of functions, pivot tables. Programming. Python, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib. R. Stats-focused analysis. SQL. Extract and manipulate data from databases. BI tools. Tableau, Power BI, build dashboards and reports. Jupyter Notebooks, for documenting code and insights together. Start with Excel and SQL, then move to Python or Power BI. The data analysis workflow. Define the problem. What are you trying to solve? Collect data, surveys, APIs, web scraping, databases. Clean data. Handle nulls, outliers, duplicates. Analyze data. Use descriptive and inferential stats. Visualize, bar charts, line graphs, scatter plots. Interpret, turn insights into business recommendations. Example. A company uses customer data to improve product features. Real-world applications: business, sales trends, forecasting, operations optimization. Marketing. Targeted advertising, customer segmentation. Healthcare. Disease prediction, patient data analysis. Finance. Risk analysis, fraud detection. Education. Student performance tracking. Everything in your world today is influenced by data, even your social media feed. How to build your data analysis career. Learn continuously. Free, Khan Academy, YouTube, paid, Coursera, Udemy, DataCamp certifications, Google Data Analytics, IBM, Microsoft Portfolio Projects. Analyze public datasets, Kaggle, government data. Networking. Join LinkedIn groups, participate in challenges, and attend webinars. Freelancing and internships. Build experience with real-world clients or small businesses. Powerful closing lines. Data isn't just numbers, it's the voice of your business, and your job is to listen. Every great decision today is backed by one thing: smart data analysis. Don't fear data, own it, master it, and use it to shape your future. Whether you're a student or a CEO, data analysis is your superpower in the digital age. Thanks, Habib, for watching. Stay curious, analytical, and keep learning.